Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap, we're currently sitting at $2.06 trillion, down 2.5% in the last 24 hours, and BTC dominance is currently sitting at 47.9%. If we're looking at the overall markets, we are seeing a lot of red across the board in the last 24 hours, and that is due to the fact that Bitcoin is not stable. It is heading downwards, and right now we're currently sitting at $52,000. So it's not stable and it's a little bit shaky right now. So obviously, it's a leading indicator of the market. So when it goes down, it takes altcoins down with it. And I believe this is nothing to worry about because we do need some sort of a pullback and retracement before we do see newer highs. As you guys may know, for the last 2 months we had been seeing green after green after green. So it's always healthy to have some sort of pullback and consolidate before we do see newer highs. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain right now, Vechain's price right now is currently trading at 21.5 cents. It's down 9.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 5.2% in BTC comparative. Current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is top 13. Vechain's market cap right now is $14 billion and 24-hour trading volume is $3.6 billion. If we're zooming out, guys, in the last 30 days alone, VeChain is up 141.3%, and in the last 14 days, we're up 98%. So everything is still looking very, very bullish for VeChain. But now I want to share this article with you guys, and then at the end, we will come and do our price analysis to where VeChain could be heading next. All right, so um, VeChain Thor mobile wallet updated. VeChain withdrawal fee reduced by 80% on Binance, which is very, very good in my opinion. As report has it, the latest version of VeChain Thor mobile wallet has been released with fixed bugs. So all Android users are thereby urged to update their mobile devices. Update their mobile app to the latest version by the Google Play Store in order to leverage a version with a better user experience. VeChain Foundation tweeted, the VeChain Thor mobile wallet has been updated to the version 1.5.10 on the Android platform. Bugs including wallet crashing upon opening have been fixed for all Android users. Please update your mobile app on the Google Play. And also, VeChain withdrawal fees reduced from 100 VeChain to 20. That's a big reduction. That's a very, very big reduction. So a couple of hours ago, Binance, arguably the largest crypto exchange by trading volume, announced a drastic reduction to VeChain withdrawal fee on its trading platform. According to the exchange, the 80% reduction of VeChain withdrawal fees is in the result of suggestion of the community. So Binance wrote, thanks for all your community feedback. We took our suggestion to reduce VeChain withdrawal fees to the relevant team and were able to lower the fees by 5x. Keep the suggestions coming. So that's a very, very exciting thing in my opinion. Let's say as VeChain keeps growing in value and you want to move your VET tokens to an exchange, I believe rather than paying more, you'll be paying less now. So that is a bullish thing in my opinion. Also, I want to share this with you guys. VeChain X Food Gates, April 27th. There's like some sort of expo center like Pudong New International Expo Center. VeChain Partners Foodgate will attend the 2021 Bakery China Conference to promote their line of French baked goods tracked on the VeChain Thor blockchain. So this might the reason I'm sharing this with you guys is because there will be other bakery companies in China, and when they see that Bakery China is using VeChain Tor blockchain to track their goods. I believe there could be other companies. I'm not saying they will, but there could be other companies that could, look into it and possibly, do the same as well. So that is a bullish thing itself as well. And I wanted to share that with you guys also. And now, if we're coming on to the price now, price is still looking very good in my opinion, and nothing serious has happened. As you guys may know, Bitcoin is shaky right now. It is being very volatile, and despite the fact VeChain is holding very very well. I did say I would like VeChain to trade sideways and accumulate before we do see a newer high, like we did back here around this level at 9.9 cents, and then we popped off and broke out and saw this initial pump. This is what I would like to see. Let's bring out the Fibonacci retracement tool, and we will do that from there. Okay, so as I mentioned in my previous video, 38.2 level is a very very strong support for VeChain, and that level is around that 20 cents. I believe that to hold unless Bitcoin, like I said, drops to $40,000 or $45,000 and takes the market down with it, because it's a leading indicator, like I said, and once it goes down, a majority of the altcoins go down, and VeChain is no exception. So we could see it fall down as well. But I believe if it just goes to 50K, I believe that 38.2 level should be a strong support. If not, the 50 should hold, as we saw at the previous pullback. 50 should hold, and we will hold around those levels. And but let's say Bitcoin drops even further down and there's a lot of selling pressure, then there is the possibility to even hit the 61.8. There's a lot of support around that level as well. But I highly doubt that Bitcoin is going to go to 40K. I believe this is just a whale manipulation right now that is occurring in the markets, and but it's a good buying opportunity for the people that missed out. But yeah, there is definitely, I am not saying, I always look at both the bullish and bearish scenario. There's definitely a potential to have a pullback further down due to the fact that Bitcoin is unstable. But if Bitcoin was stable right now, I'm very confident that VeChain would have already hit this 30 cents level already. It would have already touched that, but we cannot control this. It is part of the market, and this is why you should always be taking profits in the markets, because nothing goes up straight forever. I have repeated this over and over again. Nothing is going to go up straight in one line. There's always going to be these kind of pullbacks, and it's always good to take some sort of profits and scale back in once you do see these kind of corrections. So the bearish scenario is if Bitcoin, like I said, it is already unstable. If it were to fall down even further, we could see VeChain go down to that 0.50 level, which is around that 17.6 cents level. I believe there's a strong support around there, but if we're unable to hold there, 61.8 is a strong support as well. A bullish scenario would be that VeChain breaks this all-time high and hits 30 cents, which I believe it will in the next a week or so. As long as, now keep this in mind, as long as Bitcoin is trading sideways. But if Bitcoin is not trading sideways, then I believe it might be a little tough for it to touch that in the immediate short term. But that's a good thing in my opinion. If VeChain drops down here around these levels, I will reaccumulate and buy a bit more, because I am in it for the long haul. I see the future, and that would be a good buying opportunity for myself. But this is what the price for VeChain is looking right now. Nothing to worry about in my opinion. We're still in a bull cycle, and a lot of people, I want to say this to a lot of people, I've been reading a lot of comments. A lot of people are like, everything is dumping, markets are over. Guys, one thing I want to tell you is, please zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture. In just the last let's just say in this month alone, we're up right now. Just in the last month, we're up 122%, guys. Despite the fact we are seeing a correction, we are up 122% still. And that's why it's important to zoom out. And you always have to invest what you can afford to lose. Never throw your life savings into crypto. I cannot stress this enough. And always have patience. If you have what you have invested in the markets, always have patience, because patience is the key in crypto. Like there, imagine the people that were not patient here around the 9 cents level when it was trading sideways before we popped off. Imagine when they sold, and now it went up 122% from there. So patience is key, and always zoom out, guys, and then look at the bigger picture. But I believe that's it for today's update for you guys. But I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that has been showing me so much support. I really, really do appreciate each and every one of you. Literally, each and every one of you. Thank you so, so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. And 10,000 subscribers is the next goal. But yeah, guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And yeah, guys, I am going to wrap up today's video here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.